In this video we are going to review Cuisinart Salad Spinner. This one of the most popular and best salad spinner you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Cuisinart Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner was surprisingly impressive, given its small size. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner allows you to wash and dry salad greens in the spinner without removing the lid. Add and drain water through the opening in the top. Easy to turn spin knob. Locks to securely close the spinner non-skid base. One nice feature, which only one other appliance in our roundup has, is a hole in the top of the lid. The hole allows you to add more water during operation. Once the lid is secure, you don't need to take it off until the greens are fully cleaned. Additionally, the crank arm is ergonomic. The colanders securely fit within the bowl, and the non-slip pads on the bottom stabilize the bowl during high-speed spinning. The clip to secure the colander onto the bowl does take an extra second or two, but it fastens easily. All of these factors make fast spinning easier. This product won't let you down, especially if you want to save a little space in your kitchen for other appliances. For details, let's watch more.